In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple stops or multiple destinations on the Lyft app. First things first, pull up the app, of course. Let's say I want to go from Grain Whiskey Bar to Brennan's here in LA, two great bars, two great destinations. Let's say I want to go stop at Bristol Farms, a grocery store halfway, because I want to, let's say, go from Grain to grab a Gatorade at Bristol Farms and then get to Brennan's. What I'm going to do is click that plus sign. Once I do, this is then going to pop up, and this is very important to understand on the Lyft app, that the start and the destination now are going to be moved apart, and the stop that you're going to add is going to be in the middle. Lyft assumes that when you go to add a stop, it's going to be between your destination and your initial starting point. So let's say, again, I'm going to click Add Stop. I'm then going to type in Bristol Farms. However, though, let's say for whatever reason, I'm going to go from Grain to Brennan's and then finish off at Bristol Farms, finish off at the grocery store. In order to change the order of these destinations, I'm gonna click that arrow right there, and then it now looks like this. Two important things I have to mention at the end of this video. As you saw, one, what Lyft does is when you go to add a new destination or add an extra stop, it automatically assumes it's gonna be in the middle of your initial starting point and your final end destination. Keep that in mind, because what's interesting with the Uber app and the Waymo app is they add your extra destination at the bottom. So let's say when it comes to Uber and Waymo, for example, it goes from stop A to stop B, basically your starting point, your destination, and then any extra stops it puts at the end. What Lyft assumes, or what Lyft thinks, is that if you're gonna be adding an extra stop, you're gonna be doing it in the middle of your starting point and your last point. Either way, it doesn't really matter, because on all the apps, Uber, Lyft, and Waymo, you can switch the order, as I showed you. On the Lyft app, let's say for whatever reason you want to have that extra destination be at the end of your journey, you could just switch it with those arrows. The second thing I do have to mention, of course, keep this in mind, with multiple stops or extra stops, it is going to be more expensive than a normal ride from point A to point B, because now you're going from point A to point B, then point C.